My name is Amisha Chaudhary. I am from India.
My name is Mansi Srivastav. I am from India.
I am happy for living in Georgia because the first reason is the country Georgia is very affordable. Like the transportation cost, the accommodation cost, everything here is very affordable. So student here can live freely without any tension. I think of the whole course which I am studying right now, the best part is to practice at the Alte University clinic.
I think it is a great opportunity for me to study the medicine program in Georgia. The medicine means helping the people and without any cost, and like you can save the life of the people, which is very important for us. So I think so it is best part of my life to study the medicine in Georgia. I think so I have a great experience studying in the Georgia and will be forever. Yeah, quality of education in this country is good, and also the curriculum which is designed for in this country is accepted all over the globe, which is a great thing. Like they have the governing bodies like WHO, MCI and others which are accepting this, and that's a great thing that you can practice all over the world.
Well, I think my student experience in Alte University is filled with a very good quality faculty, very helpful staff, very helpful clinical faculty, which assist me to achieve my goals of becoming a doctor. We all live together, we all share our views, we all share our knowledge. So it's a very good thing that various countries are getting a good, we are like a family member, so we all are united in the Alte University.
My student experience in the Georgia is good and will be great forever. The hospital which is provided by our university is a great hospital with the vast different facilities, like they have the different departments like outpatient department, inpatient department, also there is a dialysis department. So this makes our clinic and hospital more vast, and they provide us more information. All the doctors which are involved here are very good.
Well, I think you should definitely choose medicine as your professional because because you know medicine is only, I think, one of the best way to serve people. So I think you should choose medicine as your profession.
I will tell the students, yes sure, you should choose a medicine and you should try to be the part of this medical program.
Select your university. Your future, our mission, turning dreams into degrees.